Say hello to Homes of Prairie Springs, Richardson, your comfy student abode at the heart of this bustling city. Take your pick from a selection of lavish one-bedroom homes, charming en-suites, and non-ensuites, each designed thoughtfully for all student needs. Tackle loads of laundry in minutes with in-unit washer and dryer connections and individual water meters. With built-in desks, you can customize your own focused study space for maximum productivity. Lift more than just spirits at the state-of-the-art fitness center, or get your daily cardio in at the jogging trail. If you're a nature lover, there's a treehouse lounge for you to chill at. When the weekend rolls around, fire up the gas grills, perfect for yummy food. There's even a complimentary coffee bar for mid-study session refuels. You are just a short drive from the University of Texas at Dallas and Richland College, with nearby bus stops like Renner at Renner West Farside and Renner at Renner East Nearside will make traveling more convenient. So grab your spot at Homes of Prairie Springs Richardson now with amberstudent.com.